Hello, this is my first video, and I would like to show you how to make a unique airplane. Oh well, not airplane, a paper airplane. Well, the first thing you need is a piece of paper, of course, and this is a paper airplane that I learned a very long time ago. And to start off, you begin by folding the paper in diagonal from the top of both corner, like this. Then this side. Okay. The next step is to make a crest in the center of those, like this, and fold it on the side. Right. Then fold additional next more like this on both sides of it. The next step is a bit well, hard, but here I will demonstrate for you. Just the first step is just to fold the top like this, just a little bit, okay? Then on top, make another like this, and fold it to make sort of like a hand to it, and do the same for the other side. Make sure it's evenly pressed. Okay, and here you have a shape almost like a hand, two-hand or foot, whatever you want to say. Then after that, flip it over and fold it to make it almost like a beak. Okay, make sure you press it evenly. Then split in half like this, okay, and you do that. Then you make the wing. Just fold it like that on both sides, okay. Now for this paper airplane to fly well efficiently, you need to make additional folding for it to. If you were to fly like this, it would just drop like that due to the the heads being heavy and all. Okay, to make the airplane last longer on the sky, fold it each of the wing by half like this, then another half. Okay, I'll do for the other side too. Now for this airplane, there are a few variations of how you want to modify the paper airplane. This is one of the typical way of to do it. I guarantee you this will impress your friends and family if you want to show them a different type of airplane paper out there. Now I make an additional paper airplane to demonstrate another way to shape it, the wingtip. Okay, use a pencil or pen and to roll the the tip of the wing tip like this. Do on both sides. this. So and if you want to add like or accessorize it by adding a tail or so, this is how you would do it. Okay, flip over an airplane on the bottom. You can either use hand or scissor. For this demonstration, we just use scissor, and we're gonna cut like a small triangular shape like this. Then what you want to do is flip it over the tail part like this, and there you go. You see that? And here you have it. Two unique paper airplane. Well, you can do the tail for this one too, you want. Okay, thank you for watching. This is my first video. Comment. Thank you. Bye.